What if I told you there's a yacht so unreal, it doesn't just sail the ocean, it controls the entire experience around it? This is the Nebula Serpent 120, a 120-meter futuristic super yacht designed like a living machine. And by the end of this, you'll understand why this isn't just luxury, it's pure dominance on water. From the outside, the yacht looks like a moving shadow with a deep obsidian black body infused with subtle neon veins glowing beneath the surface. Its design flows like a serpent cutting through water with sharp aerodynamic curves and a fully glass-wrapped upper structure that reflects the sky like liquid mirror. At the rear, there's a massive transforming deck that unfolds into a private floating arena, while beneath it hides a secret marine garage carrying high-speed tenders, jet skis, and a stealth mini-submarine. Stepping inside, you're instantly pulled into a 4-deck-high central core where a spiral staircase floats mid-air surrounded by holographic light panels that simulate galaxies. The main lounge is a 360-degree panoramic chamber with intelligent glass walls that shift from transparent ocean views to immersive digital environments. The furniture is ultra-minimal yet insanely premium, with soft neutral tones, carbon fiber detailing, and adaptive lighting that changes with your mood. The yacht features 6 luxury guest suites, each with a completely different theme, from deep ocean blue to warm desert gold, and every suite includes a private balcony, king-size bed, and spa-style bathroom with rain showers and soaking tubs. But the owner's suite is on another level entirely. Located at the front, spanning nearly 300 square meters, with a curved glass wall wrapping around the horizon, a floating bed facing the ocean, and a fully retractable smart ceiling that opens into the night sky or transforms into a live space simulation. There's also a private lounge, walk-in wardrobe, and an infinity edge bathtub placed right against the glass, making it feel like you're floating above the sea. For entertainment, the yacht includes a fully immersive cinema, with moving floors and surround environment effects, a hidden underground nightclub with reactive LED walls and a holographic DJ system, and a cantilevered glass-bottom infinity pool extending out over the ocean, where you can literally see the deep sea beneath your feet. There's also a full wellness deck featuring a cryotherapy chamber, steam spa, meditation zone, and a glass floor yoga studio suspended above water. Under the surface, the Nebula Serpent 120 is powered by a hybrid silent propulsion system, delivering smooth cruising, advanced stabilization, and complete AI control over every system on board, from lighting to navigation to security. It can host up to 12 guests with a crew of 28, operating like a floating futuristic empire. The Nebula Serpent 120 isn't just a yacht, it's a world of its own.